Come on! So, Damien, we're here at World Time Attack this beautiful day. It's shining light on this beautiful car. Tell us a little bit about the history of how you came to create this 1,000 horsepower two-door.
Well, I've always been a big WRC fan. The family's sort of always been in rally. My dad started doing a little bit of sort of club rallying. Then my brother and cousin both raced RC and Subarus, and I've always been a fan of the Subarus and the rally cars.
Yep.
So it's always been a dream to build something like this. So it's been a 10-year dream build.
Fantastic.
Started off as a Aussie delivered two-door and turned into this beast.
So it's an original Australian delivered vehicle.
Yep.
You've prepped it for rally events, so Legend of the Lakes.
Yeah, hill climbs mainly. I've done hill climbs for 20 years or so. That's sort of my thing.
Fantastic. Have you driven it in anger yet?
I've done one test day in it so far. It went really well. No real major dramas.
Excellent.
Yeah.
So the vehicle's prepared by S&J?
Yep.
Yep.
I did a lot of the build myself, but then at the end, S&J put a lot of stuff together, did the motor package, like drive line and that sort of stuff.
And so power output, what are we looking at?
At the moment, it's not crazy. Like, we ran it up to 28 pounder boost. It made nearly 500 kilowatts to the wheels at that. So that's a good starting point for me, I think, to get some seat time and get used to the car, I think.
So Bosch Motorsport components, we've got injectors, temperature sensors, coolant sensors, twin BR540 racing fuel pumps in tank.
Yep.
Excellent.
Yep, wheel speed sensors as well.
Excellent.
Yep. The only thing that's sort of missing so far is the Bosch ABS.
So Bosch Motorsport ABS.
Yeah, that's,
we'll have to get you a run in anger.
That would be the next thing down the track to do for sure.
Excellent.
Yeah.
All right. Damien, thanks for telling us about the vehicle today.
Too easy. Thanks very much. Thank you.